I'm back and I am done wrapping this, and this is how it came out. The tag, if you find that, I knew I was going to run twine through it because of the color combo, but it's also double purpose, good, helpful hint and tip. If you're using wider ribbon, you can use like twine or really thin ribbon to go through the whole punch of whatever you're tying onto your gift, and it just adds like a little bit more pizzazz with your fibers that you're using. And I found that I did not need to use the rosette because the ribbon and the tag and the box, the way that it came out all finished, was enough. It's just cute dragonfly ribbon, and it came on this spool, and it said 4 feet. I opened it brand new, and there definitely was not 4 feet on there, so that was kind of interesting. I don't know what that's about, but anyway, that's the gift for Faith, and I hope she likes it. And for those of you wondering about this mouse turned upside down, she's doing a handstand. If you could see her skirt, it's headed toward her neck and her head. She's maybe doing a cartwheel. So that's the gift, that's the wrapping, and reuse, recycle, repurpose. Kind of fun to do things from hand. Always a joy to do that. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.